teachers motivated me, and actually I was not uploading it, but even I told my teachers that I will not upload, but teachers motivated me as well as my parents, and it was their support and care, so I did it.
How at your home you used to do your studies?
My parents also motivated me, especially my father. He helped me in preparing. They say if we read, we will lead. So on that I want to ask him, and I want to get knowledge.
She wanted to ask him about reading.
Yes.
Okay. And what you want to become in your future life?
I want to become a maths teacher, as no one likes maths, and it's my favorite subject, as well as my favorite teacher is also math teacher, and I want to become a math teacher.
Do you feel that one of your student got selected to with interaction with Prime Minister?
Okay, I'm really extremely feeling happy about it. I'm just excited because we just motivate the students, and we give a lot of stress on the co-curricular activities of the schools, and we support and encourage the school students to take part in everything that takes place in the school.
How did you prepare her for that? How does the school help her in her preparation?
As for the information from the SCRT and Education Department, I took it as a challenge, and I motivated my teachers. Even though that was going to be a break time for Christmas, I just told them, you can never know where our influence as teachers will reach. So let us encourage our students to take part, and the rest is on God.
And just now you said that you motivated the teachers and students. How did you do that?
Yeah, I just called them. We have every morning, we have assembly for the teachers. We have prayer session, and then if any other information need to be given to the teachers regarding the school and what is going to take place for the day, we tell the teachers. So I just told the teachers, it is we who need to be giving all our support to the students, and it is we who need to prepare the students for their life. So with the academic studies, we also give equal importance for the all level development of a child. And I'm really feeling on the top of the world right now that our student Miss Saisha Gawas have made us proud.
Told that you prepared her. How did you prepare her for this?
Only thing, as sister said, I remembered that she said one sentence for us. She called teachers, and she said that we never know that what impact we can make on our students. So it was very short period of time. So we went to the classes as it was allotted 9th and 10th standard. We went for all 4 divisions. We gave them the topics. We gave them the proper instructions. And we got most of the students coming up to us, and some students personally came to me as at after school also on my mobile. They contacted me through WhatsApp, and I have helped many of them, and she took it as a very this thing, I think, and she asked me again and again, and I told her to upload her article, and we got the best news that she is selected.
How you feel about it?
As an English teacher, I'm feeling very proud about her, and she has written it very well. She has expressed it in a very beautiful way, her speech and even her essay, and she has given a very thought-provoking question. She is going to pose it to the Prime Minister, and I'm very much glad to say that this hidden talent has come out.
As I know Saisha Gawas, she is very obedient as such, and she does her work regularly with the completion of whatever the assignment and other things what is given to her. But very responsible student. Any sort of work is given, she will take it that particular responsibility and do that work.
Okay. When I came to know that Saisha is selected in Pariksha Pe Charcha, I was very happy. The moment I came to know, I called her father and I gave him message, and then I congratulated Saisha too. I'm very much excited, and I used to motivate her not only in this competition, also regarding her studies also. Recently we had one competition, street play competition, and on the spot we wanted one participant. So I called Saisha and she played her role very well.
You are her also favorite teachers. How does you feel about that? Because she is selected for a Pariksha Pe Charcha with PM.
Saisha is a gem of a person, and as a student she is very curious in class. That is what is a great amount of skill that a good mathematician requires. And whenever we solve problems in class, Saisha always raises her hand if she has another added question to ask. She always is curious to learn more and to deepen out the concepts and concretize all the techniques that we learn in mathematics. And I'm sure in this subject she's going to excel herself and make us and the entire village proud of herself.